morning, good morning, good morning. Have a blessed and safe day, everyone. Just a quick video, a mini cooking vlog. So keep on watching, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course, stay motivated. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, keep on watching. Just a quick video, quick mini cooking vlog using my electric pot. Okay, alright, guys, have a blessed day. I boil my water in the pot also for my tea. I'm gonna turn it off and just pour it into the cup. So I'm just gonna prepare this pot now for my fried dumpling, egg and plantain. Water. Guys, so this is breakfast. My tea, fried dumpling, plantain, eggs. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course, stay motivated. Put God first. All right.